What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Red Hulk from Marvel. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw on the lower edge of the brow. We leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're just going to curve this up and then bend that out towards the left. Line this up on the right. Go up and then out. And we'll go back to the inside and curl up the brow. Starting on the left, just going to round this out and then go up. And then we'll tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left side, let's step in, draw a half circle, coming around, and then up on the inside. And then we'll add a fold along the inside edge of the eyes. Starting on the left, curve down, and bend that out. Let's move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start by lining up the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center. Now start on the left, curve the nose coming down and then up. Step up and draw a short curve going up and then down. Let's draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start underneath the left eye. Just going to curve this down and then bend that up a little bit higher on the right side. And then we'll bend the mouth coming down towards the corners. Starting on the left, curve out and then down. Just line this up on the right side. And then we'll connect the bottom corners of the mouth with a curve. We're going to go up, and then bend that down. And let's separate out the teeth. Halfway down the side, draw a short line coming in, line this up on the right, and we'll cross this like a T, down towards the bottom, and we'll fill the bottom corners of the mouth in black. Let's move out to the side and draw on the cheekbones. From the outside of the left eye, step out, come down. I'm just going to bend that in underneath the eye. Line this up on the right, come down, and then in. And then from the outside of the cheek, draw a straight line coming down towards the jaw. And then we'll connect the jaw with a curve. Come down underneath the mouth, and then pull that up on the right. Let's move back to the center and draw on the lower lip. We step over, just going to curve up and then down. Let's go back up and draw the inside edge of the hairline. Starting on the left, curve up, just bend that in around the brow. Then from here, curve out and up towards the top. Now we're going to bring the hairline coming in and then down towards the center. Let's start on the left. Come in and bend that down. And I'll move out to the side and draw on the ears. From the left cheek, I'm going to curve the ear going up, down, and then in towards the side of the head. Let's add the folds inside the ear. Starting from the side of the head, curve up and out. Go back to the inside, curve out, and then hook that in. Now let's draw on the outside of the hair. Start on top of the left ear, curve out, and pull that up, curve down, and then in. Let's add a spike going out. Curve this up, and then out, come in, and then bend that down. Let's add another spike in the center. Curve up and out toward the left. Just going to bring this across, and then down on the right side. Let's add a small spike. Going up and in, go out, and then down. I'm going to add a couple more spikes on the right side. Curve up and out, goes in and then down toward the side. Add one more, going up and out. And bring that in and then down on top of the right ear. Let's go back and pull the brow forward. From the left side, we're going to step up, curve up, and then bend that out. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, do the same thing. Now we're going to connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's move to the center of the body and add the fold for the chest. You go up in the middle, and then back down. Go underneath the chin in the middle, draw a straight line coming down. Let's add that torn edge along the top of the pants. From the left hip, curve out and then down. Same thing on the right. Now I'm going to connect the bottom with a zigzag, going up and then down. Just going to repeat this all the way across towards the right side. Let's move back to the center, step down, add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I'm going to round at the bottom of the feet going up towards the first toe. So let's start on the left. Come down and then bend that up. And then we'll add in the first toe. On the left, draw almost like a circle, coming around, just going to leave a gap on the inside. And we'll stack 2 more toes on the outside. Starting on the left, go around, and then in, and do that one more time. Let's go in between the last 2 toes, curve the foot going up and then in. Now we're going to move back up to the hips and draw the outside edge of the shorts. On the left side, we're going to step in, curve out, and then down. And then we'll add a zigzag coming back in towards the inside of the leg, going up and then down. And then we'll tuck the legs in underneath the shorts. From that bottom point, step in, curve the leg going out and down on top of the foot. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start underneath the head on the left side, curve the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist, go over towards the right. And now we're going to draw 2 large fists on either side. Let's start from the wrist, start with a curve going up and then down. Round up the tip of the thumb and pull that back up. And then we'll add the edge of the palm. Come down and in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Starting from the wrist, down towards the end of the thumb, round this out, go back up, and we'll add the palm. Now we're going to curl 3 fingers on the outside. Let's start from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in, step down, draw that again. Tuck this up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's do the same thing on the right. And we'll go underneath the bottom finger, curve the hand coming down, just bend that up towards the wrist. And then from the inside of the palm, step down, curve the arm coming in and up, in behind the body, on both sides. And that's pretty much it. There's the Red Hulk from Marvel. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.